Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Edukartik. And in today's video, we are going to start with exercise 1.2. Like in previous video, we have started exercise 1.1 and we have done it also. But today we'll do exercise 1.2. So let me introduce the chapter. This is number system of class 9, chapter number 1. Now our first question is saying us about doing the true and false. So I'll write what are the questions. It is saying every irrational is real number. It is saying that every irrational number is a real number. So is it true or false? Yes, it is true because real number have two parts, rational and irrational. Means irrational is a part of real number, so means that real number will include of rational numbers. Okay, so now this statement will be always true. Now it is saying that every irrational number, no, it is saying every number in form of root m is rational with natural number. Is it true? No, it is a false statement. Why? Because if you take any example like root 3, root 6, root 7, any number in root m form is always an irrational number, but it is never a natural number. So it will be false. It will be true statement. Now last statement, every real number is an irrational number. No, every real number cannot be an irrational number. Why? Because if you take example of 2 by 3, it is rational number, but it is real number and rational number, but it is not irrational number, because irrational number consists of the numbers which have power in divide means root. So third statement will also be false statement. So our sequence will be true, false and false. Now next question. Are the roots of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of number that is a rational number. See, if I take an example, firstly the answer will be no. And it is asking if not, then why? And also give an example. See, it is because, like if you do, it is saying all rational numbers. All means all rational numbers. See, if you take 4, if you take 9, if you take 16, if you take 25, if you say 1024, if you say 576, if you say 676, these all are numbers. If you do square root, then the answer will be perfectly a natural number, but there won't be any irrational number. See, if you take square root of 25, so answer will be 5, because 25 is also a natural number, but if we do the square root of 25, the answer is coming a rational number and natural number, but it is not coming irrational. So our example, you can take any perfect square as an example. Now last question, show that how root 5 can be represented on the number line. See, this is the most important question. I have done this question in my previous videos also, like one video I have specifically made. If you want to see the video, then I'll put its link in description, where you can see not only this root 5, every root number, means most of the root numbers I have done. But still I will show you. See, for showing on board, I am taking distance of inches. You can also take of centimeters, but it will be harder to express. Firstly, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is enough. Here also. I have taken here, 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 and at last here. See, this is very small, but still you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So firstly, what you will do? Like, you will extend it. What you have to do? Firstly, you have to take the distance of 2 centimeters. 1, 2. And put the line of 1 centimeter over here. So this will be 2 and this will be 1. So if you join these two lines, so our answer will be root 5. How? This is 2, this is 1. So according to Pythagoras, 2 square plus 1 square equals to h square. H is hypotenuse. 4 plus 1 equal to h square. 5 equal to h square. So h will be root 5. So firstly you have to take the distance of 2 units. 2 units. And above you have to stretch it to 1 unit. So what will be the answer? 2 over here, 1 over here. So if you join those 2 points, so our answer will be root 5 root 5 units. 0, 1, 2, and over here 1. This is 2, this is 1. Join this will be root 5. Okay, so in this video we have done all the questions. This question number 4 is a classroom activity. I won't be doing this, so it is not important, although your class teacher also won't do this. So in next video I'll continue with my exercise. Till then, bye bye, see you in the next class.